capacity. Okay, next slide please. Yeah. Now let's talk about shotgun. So one of the more kumbaga favorite home defense pistols lalo na ng mga Pinoy. Why? Because of number one, power. So let's say 12-gauge shotgun, use a double-ass box. Meron ka multiple projectiles na nagpapar sa isang kalaber. Size of a 9mm, walang ganon. You have that power. However, with having that power, ang effect naman nun is that it is a little bit harder to shoot dahil sa recoil niya. Medyo mas malakas yung recoil ng isang shotgun. But still, it has pretty good power. Number two, cost effective. So, look around, hanap ko ng mga communication shot size. No? Pwede tayo magkarga ng slugs, yung isang buo. If you want to shoot longer distances, you can use that slug. You can also use block shot, gaya ng na-mention ko kanina, may choice for home defense, shotgun na gamit. You can also use bird shot, diba? So very versatile in terms of ammunition. However, number four, shotguns have low